Biway? Ba't ka umiyak na naman? Iniwan po ako. Nagsasayaw si Ate Katie.
Galing.
Galing ba si Ate Katie?
Opo.
Eto na po yung pa-burger natin last week. Salamat sa lahat ng nakisali. Thank you po sa mga students and teachers sa school ni Katie. Nakakaiyak tingnan si Katie na sobrang saya po habang namimigay. Bago po umuwi si Katie kanina, kinantahan muna niya ang mga teachers and principal nila. Thank you po Doc Jun and sa mga teachers niya. Ito ang ilan sa captions ng actress na si Katrina Halili nang ibinahagi niya ang ilan sa masasayang moment ng anak nila ni Chris Lawrence na si Katie, na kasalukuyang nag-aaral sa isang public school.
Biway? Ba't ka umiyak na naman? So, ito na po. Tuloy na natin yung pa-burger natin. Hi, Kuya Randy! Hi! Hey! Katie! Hi! Anak! Iniwan po ako. Uwi na kayo palangga. Can I see your Labubu shirt? Wow! Patingin, wow!
4. Tag 4. Thank you.
Aba, hindi na tigwa one piece ah. Daming budget ni Katie ngayon ah. Happy, baby? Happy, anak ko? Happy, anak ko?
Yes.
Can I see that smiling face? Ay, sus! Para ka na bang ano? Bibinyagan dyan sa headband mo, my love? Ay, sus! Ay, sus, thank you, Santa Katie! Ayan na po yung Labubu shirt niya, guys. Yan ang iniiyak-iyak niya. Thank you, Katie! Okay. Okay na, what's the one? Ba't ka umiyak na naman? Sabi mo pagdating ko, hahag and kiss mo ko.
Dadance akong TikTok, please.
Mamaya, pwede mo ko i-hug and kiss? Pwede? Hindi mo na naman hinag and kiss si mama. Kala ko miss mo ko.
Mamel ba? Pwede ba sila magtingin lahat?
Cellphone. Hala, iniwan ko yung phone ko, anak. Katie. Ay, sus.
Wait lang. Meron na.
Nagsasayaw si Ate Katie.
Galing.
Galing ba si Ate Katie?
Opo.
Enjoy ka, be? Sayaw si Ate Katie? Pinapanood mo ba si Ate Katie? Dito lang po tayo. Labas ng school. Katie, nagtitiktok. Na sila. Ba't ganyan yung... Paano yung face? Ilang TikTok, anak? Pwede?
Madami.
Eh, baka uwi na sila. Hanap sila ng mama nila.
Mamel ba, oh?
Aba?
Sumbong kita.
Ay! Uwi na ako sa Manila. Bye-bye. Sinusumbong po ako sa inyo. Galing na Ate Kiki mag-dance?
Opo.
Ayaw niya nga ako pansinin eh. Ayan?
No.
Hala, baka uuwi na sila, anak. Parang sni-snub mo naman ako dito. Sabi mo, miss mo ako. Uwi na ako.
No.
Sad.
No.
I'm upset. Away mo ako dito.
Mamel ba, oh?
Ay! Sila. Ha?
Mamel ba?
Ay!
Okay. Already enough.
I'm just a little bit caught in the headlights. With the wind and light and the little light. Don't know where to go. I do it alone, I try. And I don't know why. Slow it down, make it stop. Or else my heart is going to fall. Cause it's too much, yeah, it's too much. To be someday alive, I'm a fool out of love. Cause I just can't get enough. I'm just a little bit caught in a little light in a maze, and love is a little I don't know where to go, but do it alone I try, and I don't know why. I'm just a little girl lost in a moment. I'm so scared, but I don't show it. I can figure it out. It's bringing me down, I know. Not to let it go. And just enjoy the show. The sun is hot, it's the sky. Just the colors spotlight. Follows the sun. Time for nice and time. It's the joke. Nobody knows. They gonna make it to that show. I'm just a little bit caught in a middle light. It's a maze, and it's a little hard. Don't know where to go. To do it alone, I try, and I don't know why. I'm just a little bit lost in a moment. I'm so scared. I don't know which I don't figure it out. When I'm down, I know I got to let it go. Try to show. Just enjoy the show. I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a dream, and I'm in a little. I don't know where to go. No, I tried, and I don't know why. I'm just a little girl lost in the moment. I'm going to, I can't figure it out. Bringing it down, I know. Got to let it go. Just enjoy the show. Da-dum-dee-dum, da-dum-dee-dum. Just enjoy the show. Dum-dee-dum. Let's enjoy the show. I want my money back. I want my money back. I want my money back. Just enjoy the show.